So one of the hospital's three important tasks is to treat patients, and it's to conduct research, and the third is to educate healthcare providers. And I think the Newborn Time Project covers many of these tasks.
There are 2 million babies in the world that die on their birthday, right? And we need multiple interventions to save most of them. Newborn Time Project focused on the technology needed to collect data and to learn from that data. Without data, there's much less learning.
We are addressing a vulnerable patient group with newborns in need of resuscitation, and we're trying to create timelines. And for the first time, it's unique because for the first time, we're actually trying to use objective data, captured systematically, and put them into a timeline. And the aim is over time to feed it back to healthcare providers so we can do continuous quality improvement and improve our clinical care.
But data collection needs a lot of resources. And Newborn Time is a piece in the big puzzle that can make it easier to collect data, scale data collection, and thereby scale the possibility to learn from newborn resuscitation.
So from the university side, our main parts of the project has been to develop automatic video analysis algorithm using artificial intelligence. I think the impact or the usefulness here is multiple. It's both for the actual application of studying birth asphyxia and resuscitation events, but it's also on the development of artificial intelligence for video analysis in general, and that can be used for other things as well, and not just this application.
However, recently, I think the move, especially the development of the AI, also helped to move along the cryptographic access is recognized now as a part of the things that in EU, and then we do believe such a development will be able to further enhance the automation and also allowing the data to be processed where they are, never leave the operational room. At the same time, we can still build up the AI model decentralized way. So that's, I believe, the great vision that we can achieve with this solution further on.
I think right now the biggest impact that we see is we can scale data collection. If we have an automated data system, if we have annotations of time of birth, for example, it's less human resources needed. And once you have data, you can use the data either for quality improvement, for learning, for teaching, or if you have a big amount of data because it's easy to collect them, you can have those big studies analyzing, okay, what is it that actually save life and maybe change the clinical guidelines in when time comes.
Jeg tenker at vi kan bli enda bedre på det, altså være raskere med å komme i gang med pustehjelpen I forhold til det som nå. Jeg synes vi flinke til å hjelpe til med pustehjelp, men vi kan enda bli enda bedre på å være enda raskere. Du liksom nok å tenke på under en fødsel, sant? At det skal være litt enkelt og greit det som du skal gjøre, at det ikke krever for mye.
So we, of course, when the video analysis is working well automatically, we can produce this objective description of this treatment and what's going on. Hopefully this is something that can be maybe part of the journal of a baby. It's a part of the documentation or it can be used in debriefing or research.
So I think Newborn Time is the perfect project. It has partnership with the academia, with the University of Stavanger, with the hospitals, with Stavanger University Hospital, and with the private industry, with Lærdal. So I think this is what we can achieve more than if we are doing research on our own. So to me, this has been a perfect collaboration that we're building on in new projects.
Lærdal and the university in Stavanger have been collaborating for more than 20 years. especially in signal processing. And the last years we had Stavanger University Hospital on board. And this triangle of really competent people at the university doing the signal analysis, the lateral people who focus on product development and understanding the user needs, and the clinical environment at the hospital, you cannot do anything else to make improvements happening. No, I really would like to continue that collaboration, yes.
I think this project demonstrated a great collaboration and seamlessly integrated from both the Ladao team and our startup, and also the hospital and the university researcher. We work closely together to identify a problem, and there are many issues along the way and a lot of challenges sometimes make you slippery, but we are able to handle them, and I think the result is obvious, and we do believe in such a collaboration will help us to further enhance the solution that actually will bring to practice in life. Yeah.